Welcome to part 1 of the cub. We're going to begin today by looking at our CVC words because we'll be reading some CVC words in this story. Remember, CVC words are words with 3 letters, a consonant, then a vowel, then a consonant. That middle vowel makes the short vowel sound in a CVC word. Let's practice the short vowel sounds here. A says ah like apple. Say it with me. E says like egg. I says like iguana. O says ah like octopus. And U says like umbrella. When you read CVC words, you're also going to see B's and D's. These letters can be tricky because they both have circles and lines. Take a look at the different strategies we have. Remember, you can touch a line, make a line, bat. Touch a circle, make a circle, dog. And be the dog digging. Now that we've reviewed CVC words, we're going to practice reading from the story. We're going to sound them out, and then we'll blend them together. So let's get ready to do some together. Ready? Say the sounds. Cub. Good. Keep going with me through all the words. Sat. Sun. Nice job, friends. Let's do some more. Tub. Mud. Do you notice that this B had a line first? And this D had a circle first? Make sure you're being careful with your B's and D's. All right, next one, say the sounds. Had. Awesome work. Ready? Here we go. Fun. Dug. Lot. Great work. So now that we practiced some CVC words in the story, we're going to practice reading CVC words for fluency, so reading them accurately and at a good speed. We're going to go a bit faster on this one. We'll say the sounds and then blend the word together. Ready? Here we go. It, kit, et, met, an, van, egg, bag, in, tin. Awesome. Second row. Here we go. Hug, odd, pod, rug, pig, yak. Last row, ready, here we go. Cub, say it with me. Some, ram, bob, hot. How'd you do saying those words? Were you able to figure out the B's and D's? Nice job. All right, so we practiced our CVC words, we practiced them for fluency, and now we're going to look at some sight words. You'll notice that some of these words can be decoded and some have parts that need to be memorized by heart. Let's take a look at our first word. Say saw. This is the word saw. The AW makes the ah sound. We have to memorize that by heart. That's why there's a heart under the AW part. Saw. Say done. This is done. It looks like it would be a CVC's E, silent E word. There's an E at the end. So you think we would say the vowel's name. Oh, like down? But this is not the word down. This is the word done. We need to remember by heart that the O in done makes the sound, which is usually our short U sound. So we have to memorize this. This O says done. Say more. In the word more, the O-R-E says or. We have to remember that by heart. Say was. In the word was, we have 2 heart parts. The S makes the Z sound at the end of the word, like in his and is. The A makes the sound. Was. We have to remember that by heart. Say what. In the word what, the WH digraph says w. The A says what. Say the word do. In the word do, the O says ooh. Duh, ooh, do. We have to memorize that O by heart. Here's the one that we can decode. We can say each sound and sound it out. There are no heart parts. Say the sounds with me. And. This is the word and. Say the word that. In the word that, we have a digraph TH at the front. The digraph says th, that. These are our sight words. Get out your sheet like this and a highlighter, crayon, or marker, and we are going to play the game Beat the Teacher. We'll start at the top. You'll say the word, and I will say it after you, and you'll see if you said it correctly. If you say it correctly, you will highlight the word with one line right across. Let's try it. Word. Saw. If you said the word saw, highlight across. If you didn't say saw, leave it blank. Leave it empty. Don't do anything. We're going to continue this way for the rest of the game. Ready? Say the word. Done. Say the word. More. Say the word. Was. Say the word. What? Say the word. Do. Say the word. And say the last word. That. Count up how many words you have highlighted here and write that number where it says score right on this line. That is your score for the first try. We're going to do 2 more tries, and you're going to try to say more words each time. All right, so let's move over to the second column. Ready? Say the word. Saw. Say the word. Done. Say the word. More. Say the word. Was. Say the word. What? Say the word. Do. Say the word. And say the last word. That. See how many words you have highlighted. Count them up and write your score right on the line below. All right, time for our last column. We're going to try to beat our score with our final time. Ready? Say the word. Say the word. Saw. Say the word. Done. Say the word. More. Say the word. Was. Say the word. What? Say the word. Do. Say the word. And say the last word. That. Count up how many words you have highlighted and write that number here where it says score. Were you able to improve and know more sight words as you practice? Awesome work, friends. Now you're going to get to be a sight word detective. I'm going to put this paper over here. You can cap your highlighter and put it away. And we are going to take a look at our story, The Cub. You're going to be a detective and look for sight words in our story. On this cover page, there are no sight words. The Cub. Let's take a look at the inside page. On this page, there's one of these sight words. Look for that sight word as I read. I saw a cub. The cub sat in the sun. Say the sight word that you found. Did you say the word saw? Way to go, friends. On the next page, there are 3 sight words. Look for them as I read. The cub was in the mud. What will the cub do in the mud? Say the 3 sight words out loud. Did you say was? What? and do? Nice work. On the next page, there's one sight word. Look for it as I read. The cub will dig in the mud. He dug and dug. Say the sight word that you found. Did you say and? Great work. Oopsies, missed a page. On this next page, there's one sight word. Look for it as I read. The cub had fun in the mud. That is a lot of mud. Say the sight word that you found. Did you say the word that? Great work. No sight words on this page. The cub will go in the tub. The cub had fun in the tub. On this last page, there are two sight words. Look for them as I read. The cub is done in the tub. No more mud, cub. Say the two sight words you found. Did you say done and more? Awesome work, friends. Now we're going to read the story together. We've gotten ready by doing our CVC practice and our sight word practice. So read aloud with me. Say the words. Ready? Here we go. The cub. Whoops, missed a page again. Ready? Read. I saw a cub. The cub sat in the sun. The cub was in the mud. What will the cub do in the mud? The cub will dig in the mud. He dug and dug. The cub had fun in the mud. That is a lot of mud. All right, keep reading with me. The cub will go in the tub. The cub had fun in the tub. Look at all those bubbles. Last page, here we go. The cub is done in the tub. No more mud, cub. All right, how did you do it reading along with me? Did you see those sight words? Did you see those CVC words? Nice work, friends. The last thing we're going to do is a little bit of a duet reading. I'll say the words in white, and you'll read the words in yellow. So on this page, I would say the, and you would say cub. All right, let's try it. The. Great. Now we're going to read the rest of the story in the same way. I'll say the words in white, and you'll say the words in yellow. Here we go. I, a, the, sat, the. Nice reading, friends. Keep it up. The, was, the, what, the, do, the, will, in, mud, dug, dug. All right, and we are going to stop there for today in working on the cub. You practice CVC words, you practice your sight words with their heart sounds, and you practice reading. Awesome work, friends. We are going to have a second video of the cub for you to do next time. Have a great rest of your day.